So I think the reason that why preventive maintenance is so important, if we think about how much money ultimately goes into your NOI or net operating income return, maintenance is a very significant portion of dollar amount. And out of that, there's a lot of things you can't control. And those what we call reactive. That's what a lot of maintenance ultimately is. If you're able to start positioning more of your maintenance being preventative, that means you're in control of timing. That means you're in control of resource optimization. And ultimately, preventative is the one way that you can actually start to reduce the cost of individual repairs. Think about it much like an oil change. Oil change is preventative. We're very used to doing this sort of stuff. It is a lot cheaper to do an oil change than to buy a new engine. It is a lot cheaper to go catch something health-wise early than it is for those catastrophic failures. So preventative and maintenance is no different.